Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best brake drum tool is probably one of the most important tools for any DIY mechanic or professional. Ensuring your brake drums are within the manufacturer's specifications is crucial for safety and performance. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of brake drum measuring tools, exploring their features, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Westward Brake Resetting Gauge Auto Accessory. This gauge is designed for precise brake maintenance. It's a must-have tool for any auto and truck maintenance professional. The product is manufactured in Taiwan, ensuring quality and reliability. You can trust its durability for long-term use. This auto accessory is specifically designed for auto and truck maintenance. It helps ensure the safety and performance of your vehicle's braking system. The item package dimensions are 18.0 x 18.0 w x 21.0 h. It's designed for easy storage and handling. This tool is essential for resetting brake components. It helps to ensure the proper function of the braking system. What we like. This auto accessory is made in Taiwan, ensuring quality and reliability. It's designed for ease of use, making your brake maintenance tasks simpler. If you're looking for a dependable tool for your auto maintenance needs, you should consider this one. What people say. This tool is well made and functions well. Simple tool makes it easy to get your brake shoes adjusted right when you change them. Worked in a 4Runner 2001. Number 4. ABN Brake Measuring Tool 6.5 to 14.25 inch. Tired of the hassle of brake adjustments? This tool helps you save time and frustration. It's designed to make setting brake line to drum clearance measurement and adjustments easy. This tool measures from 6 to 12 to 14 to 14 inches in diameter. The dual scale includes easy-to-read metric and imperial markings. You can get precise measurements with ease. Simply measure the drum and place it next to the shoe to complete the job. Ensure the sliding plates are parallel, then lock the tool. Remeasure and adjust accordingly. This brake resetting gauge is perfect for older drum-style rear brakes, parking brake shoes, hand brakes, and disc brake rotors. It's a versatile tool for various brake systems. Constructed of durable steel metal, this tool is built for strength and longevity. The knurled knob locks the gauge for accurate measurements, ensuring reliable performance. What we like. This tool features a dual scale with easy-to-read metric and imperial markings. Constructed from durable steel metal, it ensures longevity and accurate measurements. If you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast who values precision and durability, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. High-quality thick material, fine workmanship, and coated. If you adjust or service drum brakes, you need one of these. Don't rely on the adjuster mechanism to adjust the shoes. This does a perfect job, saves time, and results in a nicely high brake pedal. Fits together snugly, doesn't slip when the knob is tightened. If you can't spin the drum to hear if the brake shoes drag, then it definitely saves a couple minutes. You will find other uses for this tool when you need to quickly compare outside and inside diameters, e.g. when fitting large diameter ABS pipe. Scale is divided in 1/32 inch and is accurate to at least 1/32 inch. It extends all the way to 14, which would otherwise require one heck of a big caliper. Very handy. Makes brake drum job lot easier. You don't have to pull it on and off. The tool measures things so you don't have to keep sizing it up. Number 3. RAMATA Brake Tool for Cars and Trucks. This tool is compatible with all cars and trucks. It's designed to make brake adjustments easier and more accurate. It's a must-have for any mechanic or DIY enthusiast. The tool is 11.5 inches long, 8.5 inches wide, and 1 inch high. It's washable and reusable, and comes in a box. This tool is built to last and provide reliable performance. This tool saves you time and effort by accurately setting drum brakes. It's especially useful for older drum-style brake jobs without adjuster windows. It helps you set the shoes to the proper setting. Made from heavy-duty metal, this tool is built to last. It offers excellent readability, performance, quality, value, and adjustability. You can rely on it for years to come. The product comes with a 1-year quality guarantee. We value your satisfaction and strive to provide a great shopping experience. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. What we like. This tool is compatible with all cars and trucks, offering versatility. It's easy to use, saving you time and effort on brake adjustments. If you have an older drum-style brake job and need a reliable tool, you should consider this one. What people say. It saves a lot of time getting you really close to a perfect brake shoe clearance. I was pleasantly surprised to find this tool to be within plus 0.05 mm of the machinist's ruler. It's pretty dummy-proof. Measuring the inside of the drum then flipping it over and adjusting the shoes accordingly, makes the drum fit perfect, and you know you've got a perfect alignment every time. Number 2. Fowler 72-010-777 Drum and Rotor Measuring Kit. This is the Fowler 72-010-777 Drum and Rotor Measuring Kit. It's designed to help you measure your brakes. With this kit, you can easily check your disc brakes and brake drums. This kit is perfect for measuring disc brakes. It provides accurate measurements, ensuring your brakes are functioning correctly. This helps keep you safe on the road. It can also measure brake drums up to 12 inches or 300 millimeters. This feature makes it versatile for various vehicles. It's a must-have tool for any mechanic. This kit is compatible with both 6 and 8 calipers. However, please note that the calipers are not included. Make sure you have the right calipers for your job. The 52-010-777 model is identical to the 72-010-777. You can expect the same high quality and performance from either one. It's a reliable tool for your brake maintenance needs. What we like. This kit measures both disc brakes and brake drums, offering versatility. It's designed for use with 6 and 8 calipers. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for measuring both disc and drum brakes, you should consider this kit. What people say. Makes measuring rotor depth easy and quick, as on most you don't have to remove the tires unless they have a dust shield on the back, and they are usually on vocational vehicles. Works great for measuring rotors and drums. Number 1. Drum and Rotor Measuring Kit with Caliper, set of 4. This kit ensures accurate drum and rotor measurements. It comes with a caliper, allowing you to get precise readings. This set of 4 is essential for any automotive professional. The kit includes everything you need for the job. It's designed to make your work easier and more efficient. With this, you can ensure the safety and performance of your vehicles. The tools are built to last, providing reliable performance. You can count on it for consistent results. This kit is a valuable addition to your toolbox. The tools are designed for ease of use, even for beginners. It simplifies the measurement process. You'll find it saves you time and effort. It comes with a 1-year warranty on materials and workmanship. This warranty protects your investment. You can purchase with confidence knowing it is covered. What we like. This kit comes as a set of 4, providing you with multiple tools. It includes a 1-year warranty on materials and workmanship, ensuring peace of mind. If you value a complete set with warranty protection, you should consider this one. What people say. It's very accurate and is 1/3 the price on Amazon versus the tool trucks. I can measure drums and disc rotors. It is easy to read with a digital display. Works great for measuring brake drums. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.